Welcome to VauBot. In this video tutorial, we will show you JSON API connector. First, you must click on API channels from the navigation menu on the left side. API channels allows two applications to connect and talk to each other. In this case, you will be connecting VauBot with other applications like MailChimp, which is email marketing service, or Twilio for SMS, and so on. First, there is social media, where you can integrate different social media accounts to use bot, auto reply, social posting, and other features. Then, you have email autoresponder APIs. If you integrate email autoresponder and apply in Bot Manager, then email address will be forwarded to autoresponder account when a bot subscriber opt-in using email. Also, there is SMS APIs, where you can integrate SMS APIs to broadcast SMS and send SMS notification, and so on. Now, let's show you how you can create new JSON API connector. Once you clicked on JSON API connector, click on New Connection button. First, you must give a name for this JSON API connection. Then, choose a Facebook page for which you want to create this connection. Then in the field below, type webhook URL. A webhook is a way for one application to deliver data to another app in real time whenever given event happens. Also, it will notify you every time someone trigger it, and it will send information from the app where the event happened to another app that's connected to. Next, you must choose what data will change triggers of webhook. We will select email and phone number. And lastly, choose which data you would like to send. Once done, click Save button. Once created, if you click on Action button, you can see the report, edit this connection, or delete it. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Make sure to check the next one.